Okay, so this is a big box, and it's been sitting for 10 plus years. So according to the part number, it is a loaded NSX C32 short block. So this is rod, pistons, pan, I hope oil pump, really do. But the thing is, it's been sitting for about 10 years and nobody's opened it. These straps are from Honda. I don't think anybody's been in here. No signs of it. But for all we know, it could be a load of bricks. So if it is, I'm honestly gonna laugh, but I really hope it isn't, because we're just buying all the parts now to finally get this thing together, now that the cars are worth so much money. But odds are it is what it says it is, but there is a chance that it is junk, like nothing. You never know, anything's possible. So finally, once and for all, I'm gonna open this up. I've never seen these Honda straps like this. Pretty cool. Alright, so I'm guessing V6 short block, but I'm really hoping oil pump. I'm really hoping. Like loaded. Similar to the packaging on the heads with all the cardboard. Very similar. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think we're in business. We are in business. Yeah, the new old stock heads came with a lot of this type of cardboard as well. Exactly the same. So there it is. Yeah, it's got fittings. Got the pan on here. It's got the, oh, biffed it. It's got the oil pump. It does have the oil pump. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, it looks, yeah, that's best case scenario. It is what it says it is. That's really good. Water pump as well. Perfect. Okay, so I'm really glad I opened this up. Yeah, that's gonna save a lot of ordering other parts. Yeah, it even comes with all these little fittings, like the anchor for the spring for the tent, for the belt. 10-year-old crank steel. Should be fine. Pan is on. Awesome. Yeah, there it is. PR7. Even comes with this little O-ring here. I gotta check these. I probably will not reuse it. Honda bond feels good. Everything is brand new. Perfect. Man, that is smooth. That is smooth. Okay, so there it is. It is what I hope for. And now let's just go full bore, just getting everything in, and hopefully get this sucker out of here once and for all. Awesome.